Hi, this video is about how to create this arc-shaped ceiling using AiHouse. We will be creating this ceiling as well as the arc-shaped opening here. So let's get started. The structure is mainly using a superboard. I will use the one from kitchen module. You may also use the one from wardrobe or system cabinet. Search for super. Okay, and then drag it out and change the size. Let's say make it 3000. And then you press B to enter board selection, and then right click panel point editing. Okay, you delete the original panel, then draw the new shape with 100 thickness. Then we're going to make the arc now. Click on the point here. Okay, and then you choose outer fillet. You can change the radius here. Let's say we make it 300. And then we put 15 to smoothen the edges. Okay, then continue on the inner point, outer fillet. Alright, so we'll make it 250. And also increase the edges. Okay, so we're gonna repeat the same steps on the right side. Then save and return. Now we have the arc shape already. We're gonna rotate. Okay, input 90 in X, and then we need to move it up in elevation. Okay, and we're gonna move it up to the ceiling, so we put 0 on the distance. Okay, and then you change the thickness to 3000. Now you have the arc-shaped ceiling already. For the inner arc timbers, we can use the same method. We're just gonna copy the ceiling out. Ctrl V to copy, and then we use the panel point editing again. Okay, this time we're gonna start drawing the arc shape from the inner point. Okay, so we delete the existing shape and then draw the new shape. We're gonna make it 50 in thickness. And then we can make the outer fillet as well. So we are just repeating the same steps. Okay, save and return. Now we change the height to 50, then you will get the timber strip. Okay, we move it to the side of the arc ceiling, and then we move it accordingly. Okay, depends on how many strips you want, then you just copy paste and move, copy paste and move. So here I'm back with all the straps done. Now we will add the horizontal straps. Okay, since it's just a straight one, so we can just use a superboard and change the size. So let's say we make it 50 and the length we try 1450, and then we move it up to the ceiling. Alright, so we need to add another 50. Okay, and then to avoid seeing the overlap shadow, I will make it 51. Okay, and then same thing, we can just copy and paste. Okay, for the gap over here, if you want to add on the thick straps, you can also copy one of the arc strip and then you change the size. Okay, so now we have done the structure of the ceiling. For the arc opening, we can add the square doorway first. Okay, we're going to open a hole on the wall. Change the size. Okay, and then we can use the same superboard to draw the arc opening with the same steps. So we'll change the size to 3000 and 2008, and then press B for board selection and panel point editing. So it's the same steps. So for the arc opening, we're gonna draw the shape with 300 thickness. And then we do the outer fillet. Save and return. Okay, rotate. And voila, now you have the arc shape opening already. For the opening here, you can just use a cabinet from wardrobe or system cabinet and delete the back panel. Okay, so let's say we extend the room and then we get a unit from system cabinet. Okay, you rotate it, change the size, and reposition it. And then you delete the back panel. Okay, so for the side cabinet, you can just design as usual, and then you can find the lights from the clouds. So this is the final output of the design. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trying. Bye.